Howdy, everybody. I'm Hand-Drawn Hank, and welcome to today's Quick Draw, where you suggest it and I draw it. Remember, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe below. Today's drawing was suggested by Ezio in Taiwan. Ezio suggested that we draw a ninja. This drawing's for you, Ezio, and thanks for the suggestion. Here we go. For today's drawing, we're going to start with part of the ninja's mask. So to draw this, we're just going to draw a line with a bump, like this. Ta-da! Good job. Pretty easy. Next, we're going to draw two lines straight up, like this. Ta-da! Good job. Next, we're just going to draw a curved line to connect those, like this. Looking good. Next, we're going to draw the eyes inside. I'm going to give my ninja angry eyes. Here we go. Good job. I like it. Looking good. Next, we're going to draw two more lines straight up and down like this. Good job. And the top of the head like this. Ta-da! And then the bottom like this. Ta-da! Good job. Now we've drawn our ninja's mask. Let's keep going. We're gonna draw two little lines right here. One, two, and two. All right, easy enough. And next we're gonna draw our ninja's shoulder. To draw our ninja's shoulder, we're just gonna draw like a big C, or almost a full circle, like this. That's his shoulder. Bring a line down. Now we're gonna draw more of our ninja's arm. Looking good. Two more lines. And just connect those lines like this. Okay, looking good. Let's keep going and draw our ninja's forearms. Okie dokie. And then we're gonna draw our ninja's fist. We're gonna make this kind of boxy. So 1 and 2, looking good. And then just bring it up and around like that. Cool, now bring a point here. That's like the ninja's glove going between his fingers, and then draw two lines for some fingers. 1 and 2. All right, let's start working on our ninja's sword. So we're gonna just draw a line. That's the top of the sword. And then we're gonna just draw a line all the way up to be his big sharp blade. And it's gonna be super cool. Ta-da! And one more. Ta-da! Awesome! Our ninja is looking so cool. Next, let's draw the ninja's other hand. So just draw this line in a box and bring it on up. And then we do the triangle, 1 and 2. And just draw the finger lines, 1 and 2. That's his other hand below on the hold of the sword. And next, we're just gonna draw a line going up this way and coming back toward the sword. It's gonna be his arm holding the other side of the sword like this. Ta-da! Not so bad. Next, we're gonna draw the body. So draw a line from here to here. Good job. And now you can actually draw a line from here across. That's like the top of the ninja's robe. And then 1 and 2. There you go. Now our ninja's coming to life. Next, two little lines. We can draw the ninja's other shoulder. 1 and 2. And now all we have to do is draw the arm coming up and over to show the top of the arm and the elbow. Like this. 1, 2. Ta-da! And now let's just draw the bottom of the sword. And maybe a line here for the rest of the sword. Awesome! This ninja is gonna be so cool! Next, draw a line coming down, and up. Now your ninja has a body. Before you draw the belt, draw a circle for the knot of the belt, and then draw your lines, 1 and 2. Cool. Draw a line, and bring it over, and Now we got a belt. Next we're gonna draw kind of like 2 triangles to show the ends of the ninja's belts, like this. 1, 2. All right, not so bad. Next, all we have left to draw is the legs of the ninja. So what we're gonna do is just gonna draw a nice curvy line like this. Okay. Maybe put a little bump. Okay. And a straight line. Looking good. Another straight line. Okay. Now this part, you're gonna draw a curvy line from here, swinging all the way down to about under the belt, like this. All right. Now over here, we're gonna draw the top of the ninja's boots. 1, 2, 3. Next, we'll draw the front of the ninja's leg, like this. And the back. Easy peasy. Draw the heel down. Next, we're gonna draw a foot shape with just 2 bumps to show those cool split toe ninja shoes, like this. 1, 2. All right. Our ninja has a leg. Let's add some details. Oh, that looks cool. All right. And some ground underneath. Nice. This ninja is awesome. Draw a line right here. That's the bottom of the ninja's thigh. Draw a line for the top. Awesome. And our ninja's gonna have one of those super cool ninja poses. So 1 and 2. All right. Top of the boot. Looking good. 1 and 2. And then for this one, we'll just draw the heel. And then bring the foot over. 1 and 2. Awesome ninja shoe split toe. So cool. 1 and 2. Ta-da! We're almost done. Let's add some muscle lines. Those look cool. Like that. Maybe one right here. Yeah. Ta-da! We did it. We drew an amazing, super cool, awesome ninja. Good job. And thanks for the suggestion, Ezio. Now, let's color it.